2017 Buick Envision USB aux port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 Buick Envision. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB port in the center console. I'll just open this up right here. It's this white USB port. It comes as like a whole little unit. So what you want to do is get a blue plastic pry bar like this so you don't scratch your interior. If you don't have this, you could use like a flathead like this, but you're going to probably scratch up your inside. What you want to do is get your blue plastic pry bar and then gently get in between the USB port and the center console and just kind of pop it out. Just kind of put it in between and kind of wiggle it and turn it. And then you want to hold this side and then come pop this side out. So hold, if you get one side out, you want to hold it and then pop the other side out. So then it'll come out because the little tabs are on the side of this. Once you pop them out, you could just take it out like this. There's two connectors. Each connector has a little thumb tab in the middle. You just push the thumb tab down and pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires though, because you'll break the wires. Do both. The gray one's a little bit more harder because there's like a connector within the connector. There you go, just like that. Try not to let the wires go back into the center console. The part number's stamped on the side. Here it is. These are sold on Amazon. I'm going to link you new OEM ones below. They're about 34 bucks. Once you get your new one, we're just going to take it and plug in our connectors. The black connector goes in pretty easy, and then the gray connector, you kind of got to line it up more and have more patience with it because, like I said, there's a connector and a connector, and then you just push this in place, make sure it has the proper orientation, and then you're good to go. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.